Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vidhi and today I'm gonna show you how I created this glam B cube look in my style. B cube stands for blue, bold and beautiful. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And yes, this is a bit long video, so make yourself cozy and grab a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like, and enjoy. Also friends, watch this video till the end to find out how I created this glam look step by step. So without blabbering much and wasting much time, let's straight jump into the video, and I'll see you lovely people in my next video. So bye until then. I'll begin with the Green Tree Revitalizing Mist from Plum. To prep my skin, I'll be using green tea serum from Plum. This much is sufficient. Then I'll be using this grapeseed gel under my eyes. After prepping up, my skin has become smooth and soft. I'll be using Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Primer to prime my face. Only this much is sufficient. To conceal my eyes, I'll be using a concealer from LA Girl in the shade Pure Beige. Now I'll be setting my eyes with a translucent powder from Sugar. To do my brow, I'll be using a pencil from Wet n Wild. So now the brows are ready. Just excuse me the sound that is coming from outside. Children are playing and festival is coming up, so can't stop anyone. I'm using Faces Canada pressed powder near my eyebrows to set. I'm using this shade for the transition. Just tap off the excess and just go with very light hand. I'm using sellotape so that I can have crisp and sharp sidelines. Over that, I'll be using this brown shade. I'll be also mixing this green along with this blue. So this is a perfect glam look, you can see. Now I'll be using this eye foil from Lottie London. This is in the color blue. I don't know exactly the color name. I'll be mentioning in the description box. It is a bomb color, girls. Can you see the color pigments, girls? Beautiful. So again, I'll be smudging, the eyeshadow from the outer corner. For eyeliner, I'll be using Maybelline gel eyeliner. So now to create a precise look, I'll be just cleaning the sides of this eyeshadow. I'll be also using this green shade. I'll be using this kajal from Faces just in order to tightline my waterline. I'll be also using this highlighter from Daily Life Forever 52 to highlight my inner corners and my brow bones. Now I'll be applying these falsies from iconic London Lashes. keeping. Now I'll be finishing off my eye look with this mascara from Calabar. So guys, this is my finished eye look. So let me know your feelings about it, how it's looking, whether the falsies are looking good on me or you like a natural look. So let me know in the comment section below. I'll be using this Maybelline concealer to highlight my areas. I'll be blending this with my beauty blender. So now I'll be setting my face with this banana powder from Daily Life Forever 52. So guys, I'll be baking my face with this banana powder from Daily Life Forever 52. Will remove the excess. So I'm using this mint corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my acne scars. I'll be blending this. I'll be blending this with my fingers. I feel blending with finger gives a better coverage. I'll be mixing two products. I'll be using Bobbi Brown in the shade Natural today for foundation, and I'll be also using this Light and Sheer highlighter. This is a liquid highlighter from Chambord. So I'll be mixing these two products together so that it will give me a very glowy, dewy look, which I'll be mixing. So it smells so good. This highlighter, liquid highlighter, smells really nice. We'll be also applying some to the neck. You can always use this if you are going to some party. So I'll be requiring a little more of the foundation because this part is still looking a bit patchy. To set my face, I'll be using a pressed powder from Faces Canada. To chisel up my face, I'll be using this stick foundation from Nykaa. Can you see the difference, guys? I'll be also using this bronzer from Makeup Revolution, this one. To blush my face today, I'm using Malibu Barbie from Nykaa. It is an amazing shade, girls, let me tell you. And I'll be using this contour brush itself to blush. I'll be mixing both the shades. I'll be tapping off excess. I'll be flushing it to the apple of my cheeks and will take it upwards. Oh God, can you see the pigment? How dark it is? I need to blend more. With the help of a stippling brush, I'll be mixing all the products that are onto my face, just in order to see there are no harsh lines. Since today's look is bold eye look and glam look, so we'll be keeping our lips in nude shade. So this is the lip liner which I'm using from Nykaa. This is in the shade Pillow Fight. I'll be a bit overlining my lips so that it gives me a fuller look. For lipstick today, I'm using the shade Mini Liquid Lipstick from Nykaa. This is Bombay. The shade name is Bombay. To complete this makeup look, I'm using this setting spray from NYX. For highlighting my face, I'm using this highlighter from Daily Life Forever 52. It is bomb, girls, I must say. So I'll be just highlighting the high points of my cheeks. Can you see, girls, the flash?